So hold your hands in mine tonight. I'll drive you to the stars tonight. And on our way we'll sip the sea. And glide with the moonlight, just you and me. We'll sway with the clouds, just like you want it to be. Oh darling, it'll be just you and me.
We actually thought that this is going to be a long relationship, and we were married to each other almost like mentally. But marriage for me is actually a marriage for two families, and I'm very, very, very grateful that I have such two amazing families.
I am very fortunate in the fact, and so is he, that our parents were just like, you're happy, we're happy. Coming from such different cultures and such completely different backgrounds, and it's really a testament to our families that they made this work.
सामने मैं हूँ, सामने तू, मन में छुपा जो कैसे कहूँ, छोटी सी ख्वाहिश और जस्तजू, मन में दबा जो कैसे बयां करूँ। तेरे आने से थम जाती है ज़मीं, रुक जाता है जहां, लड़खड़ाती है ज़ुबान। तेरे आने से, हाँ, तेरे आने से भूल जाता हूँ मैं सब। तेरे आने से थम जाती है ज़मीं, रुक जाता है जहां। तेरे आने से भूल जाता हूँ मैं सब, वगैरह 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 वगैरह
The first 2 weeks of our relationship, we just knew that this was it. It felt right. It felt right from the first moment.
Definitely. And obviously you're going to marry the girl who laughs at your stupid jokes.
I can see myself like even 50 years from now, like, you know, scrolling through our phones laughing at some silly meme that only the two of us find funny. But that is,
I know. Like couples say that we finish sentences. I say actually we finish thoughts. Like she thinks and I'm telling her don't think about that.
from the very beginning, this looked like a relationship that was going to go the distance, and I had no doubt that it's going to lead up to here. And normally I would end this by just saying that, have a happy married life. But with you guys, I'm sure happy is just the baseline, and it's going to be amazing. And have a blast and cheers.
Ever since they met, they were just so perfect for each other. They just fit like, pieces of a puzzle. I guess that's all I want for my best friend, that, just be really happy. And I'm really glad that she's, with Harsh, and wishing best of luck to the couple.
I'm really glad I met you both. I'm very happy to be here today, and congratulations to both of you. And I have to say this, angle closure glaucoma with MI.
Harsh and Saili, as dramatic as it sounds, they really do seem like they belong together. They were always meant to be. Really as dramatic as it sounds.
Yes.
I have never seen two people so perfect for each other.
Talk about dramatic.
Saili, you're very, very lucky that you're getting married to Harsh. Harsh is a really nice guy.
Heart is very nice.
Very
and
nice.
His family is very amazing.
Amazing. And uncle is so sweet.
Auntie also. भैया तो एकदम ही and हम भी हैं. We are an added family.
So many congratulations and welcome to our family.
Hey guys, this is your adopted child, your bridesmaid, and the best man speaking. I'm so happy for you guys. Finally, you're going to the next level in life, and I wish you all the best. Sounds very cliched, but I think you guys were meant to be with each other. And just keep the love going, man. I love you.
I was there at the beginning, and now I'm here, and I'm hoping that I'm always there ahead as well, and that we'll all be great friends together and see you two guys develop even further than what you have already together. Many congratulations, and see you all soon.
It just makes me so happy that you guys are starting this journey together, and I'm getting a bit emotional right now, but I love you guys so much. I love you all so much, and I hope that just you guys have all the happiness, all the love, and all the luck in the world. I love you guys so much. Take care, and I can't wait to celebrate with you all when I see you all next. Hi guys.
Hi guys, congratulations. I still can't believe that I cannot attend your wedding. Sorry. Well, wish you all the best, and God bless you guys. Have fun. We'll catch up soon, and love you.
I don't know how many years from now, if we're just sitting together and doing nothing, just like that one time when we were just sitting and having a glass of whiskey together and just talking about things, that would be enough for me. I don't want anything else in life.
Well, she knows that I love her, but a good thing about that is, the thing I would like her to know is that you come first, no one else.